Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to see all transactions in your IRA account. So today I'm logged in here. This individual has two types of accounts. You can disregard this safekeeping account. This is just a test portal. What you want to do is click on the Transactions tab up towards the top of the page. And then from here, if you do have multiple accounts, you will have to specify which account you want to see the transactions. So we're going to go ahead and check out the traditional IRA today. Now, once that is selected, you will see on the bottom of the page a list of transactions. So if we scroll down here, the list of transactions will start with the most recent all the way to inception. So as you can see here, this IRA cash transfer deposit, that just simply means that this individual transferred $5 million, it looks like, from another IRA into his Entrust account. These other line items here, these are just contributions, employee contribution, rollover contribution. Transfer deposit again. Purchase of asset line item just simply means an investment. So this particular individual made this investment of $150,000 into Earl Deidre Properties Fund 2 LLC. Now there are going to be a few columns here. The principal cash just means cash that either came into the Entrust account or left the Entrust account. So going back to this IRA transfer, this amount of cash came into the account, therefore it's a positive, so it's adding cash into the account. When cash leaves the account, you will see it in red, and of course the negative, meaning it left the account. Under the principal investment, this just means the actual adjustment of the value of that particular asset. So cash is just cash, and so there's no adjustment of assets because it's just cash. So it just adds the undirected cash or subtracts. We're not adjusting an asset. That's why you see the zero, because in our terms, we don't really necessarily consider cash as an asset. An asset is more of an investment, a property, precious metals, private equity, etc. Since this is an asset, this is investment, that value was booked. So the value of that asset is $150,000 because the client invested $150,000 into that investment. So it's booked at this dollar value amount. Same thing with this right here, real estate purchase, $20,000 investment left the IRA. That's why you see the red negative, and the asset was booked as that $20,000 value. Now, this particular account does not necessarily have income generated from an asset. So we're going to take a look at a different one. Now, this account does have income generated from an asset. You will see this dividend, and this is exactly that, income generated from this particular investment. So the income was $2,172.67. Now, because this was just income generated from the investment, we did not adjust the value of the asset. So the value remains the same. We just received this dollar amount from that asset. That's why here you see zero, because again, we did not adjust the value of that asset. Now you will see purchase of sweep asset. This is internal terminology that unfortunately you will see as well. Purchase of sweep asset just means that dollar figure came into the account. Typically it's tied to another transaction. So this amount came into the account, and so that's why you see this line item, and we just add this as the dollar figure. This you can honestly disregard. Same thing with the sale, it's just the opposite. So that amount of money left the account on that day. The income from asset will show up as so, other income, non-taxable, and then the asset name would be right after. And then here, that's the dollar figure that came in. And of course, we did not adjust it. And there you go.